Today we're bringing you one of our most popular injectors that ships daily, the Cummins ISX Reman fuel injectors. These injectors are widely used on highway applications and have gone through a number of change in history, implementing new technology and reducing emissions. We sell a number of different models, so when you hit us up for a new set of injectors, be sure to have your engine serial number ready. First off, as every fuel injector we sell, these injectors are fully disassembled, thoroughly inspected, and cleaned to perfection. 100% of the critical components are replaced inside the injector. We make sure that you're getting a true remanufactured diesel engine part that you can install on your truck with confidence. Every step of the remanufacturing process is followed to strict OEM specifications that meet or exceed their standards. This ensures that you're getting a properly fitting and functioning fuel injector for your Cummins ISX. Each injector is 100% functionally tested for fuel delivery, fuel injection pressure, and timing. Backed by a 1-year parts warranty, it's obvious HHP goes the extra mile to ensure we're providing you with quality diesel engine parts that are equal or better than OE at a much lower cost. Check out highwayandheavyparts.com for a set of new injectors for your Cummins ISX. But again, we carry a number of different ISX injectors, so have your engine serial number ready when ordering online or over the phone. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to us on Facebook and YouTube to stay up to date with news from Highway and Heavy Parts. If you have any questions, you can chat with us on highwayandheavyparts.com, or you can call me or any of the other service experts at 844-447-1453. From diagnosis through delivery, we're Highway and Heavy Parts.